Hand me that oxygen.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Thanks for watching. So today we're going to be talking about stage 1 and stage 2.
Now, whenever I hear stage 1 or stage 2, I always think of full bolt-on or a simple tune. Is that what you mean?
No. So what I'm talking about with stage 1 and stage 2 is our engine packages. So of course you have your full bolt-ons, which would be what Unitronic or APR or these different companies put together as far as tune packages. You know, whether it's a full bolt-on car or where you're starting out where you just have maybe basic modifications like an intake or a downpipe. In this case, I wanted to talk about what is a stage 1 engine build here at Ostar Motorsports. And we try to keep it simple. We only have 2 packages. So we have our stage 1, which is composed of Carrillo rods, our JE custom pistons, which we came up with together along with JE and their experience. And along with that, we use a Ferrea valve train, and we use ARP 625 plus head studs. We'll use ARP main studs. We basically take it with pair it with a set of OEM gaskets, and that's really the gist of it. I mean, most of the part is really the machining process, all the measuring, cleaning up, balancing the motor, and then putting it together. But I wanted to show you guys, you know, the components we use and how much power these things can hold. So when you look at a stock piston and rod, this is what you're looking at here, and this is what we put on our stage 1 and stage 2. We don't change the piston and rod combo from one stage to the next. So this will hold 1,000 horsepower on a stage 1 or 1,300 horsepower on a stage 2. The main difference is just the sleeves. You know, one will use either LA sleeves or Donner sleeves, and the other one will have stock sleeves. But we like to use Carrillo rods. We prefer to use their car bolt option, is their top of the line rod bolt. And with our custom pistons, we kept the compression OEM, and we went with the upgraded wrist pin, and that in itself, those 2 combinations will actually let you take advantage of a lot more horsepower.
So what is the key difference between stage 1 and stage 2?
So like I mentioned before, there's only one real difference that we do from a stage 1 to a stage 2, and that's the sleeving. And if you don't know what that means, so basically these blocks are aluminum, right? And when you push a lot of boost or a lot of cylinder pressure, there comes to a point where the stock sleeves or the aluminum could crack under stress. So what somebody came up with was to re-sleeve the cylinder walls to an iron sleeve. So it goes through a process at the machine shop where they bore out the sleeve here and they press in a new iron sleeve. Now that's gonna make this block hold a lot more power, a lot more cylinder pressures, and but yeah, that's basically it. I mean, once you do that, which the process is obviously time consuming, you need special equipment, but once that's done, you'll still be using the same pistons and rods, same components, but it'll be able to hold a lot more power. And that's it. You know, if you guys want to find out more information about our engines, whether it's stage 1 or stage 2, or if you're doing full bolt-ons, remember to check out the website, or you can always give us a call here at the shop. Thanks for watching. Remember to follow. See you next time.